মজা পেয়েছি যদি মজা পেয়ে থাকি এটাই হচ্ছে সবচেয়ে বড়
Kabaddi and hockey competition organized on the occasion of the Young Festival come on to build a new Bangladesh, and the world is changing the world in front of the slogan is organized in Cox's Bazar on the occasion of the Young Festival under 15 boys and girls Kabaddi and hockey competition. The final games of the competition was held at Birsisto Rohlamin Stadium, sponsored by the Ministry of Young and Sports and organized by the district administration and the district sports office Western Day. In the final of the Kabaddi boys group, the Mohishkali team gained the distinction of being champions at the district level, and the runners-up was the Sodar Upazila team. Deputy Commissioner MD Salauddin was the chief guest at the closing and first distribution ceremony. Additional Deputy Commissioner Nazimuddin Ahmed presided over the meeting. Sodar Upazila Executive Officer Nilufa Yasmin Chaudhary, District Secondary Education Officer MD Ismail, District Sports Officer Mainuddin Milki, many more we are present on the occasion.
This TV Tax Report. তাদের সকলের জন্য জোরে করতালি দিয়ে কে জিতলো কে হারলো এইটা অনেক এই 19 ফেব্রুয়ারি পর্যন্ত আমাদের তারুণ্যের উৎসব চলবে সময় ঘনিয়ে আসছে আমরা আরো বেশি বেশি প্রোগ্রাম করতে চাই ঠিক কি না এক্স্যাক্টলি
মহেশখালী উপজেলার পয়েন্ট 32
No, nothing. Okay. Are Farid kenna madis?
আসতেছে
ইতিমধ্যে আমাদের